Hello, I'm Paul Endresen, the CEO of 3LC. 3LC is a platform for making AI models smaller, faster, and better. And I'll demonstrate today how a client used 3LC to improve their model accuracy and losing 60% of their false positives. 3LC is a Python package that you install and you run a service locally. We're not a SaaS, so it means that everything you do stays local to wherever you are doing your training, whether that is on your laptop or in the cloud or on your HPC. Next, what you do is you integrate 3LC into your training script, so it attaches to your model and it enables a workflow of training the model where we capture metrics so you can analyze and get insights into what happened with the training data, how it affects your model, and then you can actually change the data very quickly and retrain to hopefully get a better model out and also a better data set. We will look at a training run from one of our clients that does drone inspection of power grid lines. And if you look at what happened here in the training run, we will see that we will find missing labels and also find a way to reduce all the false positives. So we can start by looking at the images with the labels, and we can also look at the images with the predictions. And we can see that the prediction in this image is pretty good. We can go to the next one, and we see that this also is good. We don't want to look at it this way. We also captured a lot of other metrics that during the training, and we can start to filter on those. So we can filter in all the images where there is no overlap between the predictions and the actual labels. In addition to that, we can ask the model to show us all the cases where it was really confident about what it was doing. And this way, we find that there are missing labels in the data set. So here, the model thinks this is a bird nest, and it's correct, it's just a missing label. We can easily add that to the label set, and we can go on to the next one, and we can add that as well, and we can continue like this. However, it's only 5 missing labels in this data set, so it's really good data set. So let's look at the actual false positives that's causing problem for this model in production. We see that this feature, the model thinks that this is a bird nest. If we go to the next image, we will see again that it thinks that this is a bird nest. And it's not that peculiar actually, because if you look at the labels, we see that this feature is always existent in the labels. So that's why it thinks that this feature here is a bird nest. So we can fix that. This goes for all these 766 images. We can take all these bounding boxes that looks like this. We can create a new class. Let's call it fake bird nest or something else. And we can add all those for all these rows we now filtered in. This means that now we have a new class. The model is now forced to differentiate between this feature and the branches plus this feature. This little approach alone cut the false positives by 60% in production for the client. And also the model trained much faster because now it wasn't so confused during training. So it converged in 1 day instead of 5 days. So that's 3LC, and there's lots more functionality that you can use this for to really gain insights and fix your data. If you're interested, please contact us through the Alliance website or from our webpage.